Hi everyone, greetings from Mockat. In continuation with other MBA entrance exam series, today we are going to see about Masters Union Business Aptitude Admissions Test MUBAT conducted by Masters Union. We will be putting videos about other entrance exam in the upcoming days, so stay tuned. Now we are going to see about the exam details of MUBAT. It is an online exam conducted by Masters Union. MUBAT 1 is already conducted and the exam dates of MUBAT 2 is 27th or 28th January 2024 and MUBAT 3 will be conducted in March. The registration for round 2 closes on 21st January 2024 and the registrations of round 3 will open in March. This exam consists of 3 sections and the exam duration is 2 hours. The intake of Masters Union is currently at 163. Placements is 34.07 lakhs per annum. The exam fees for round 1, round 2 and round 3 are 3,000, 3,500 and 3,500. The college fees for round 1 applicants is 28.98 lakhs, round 2 applicants is 29.18 lakhs and round 3 applicants is 29.38 lakhs. Now we are going to see about the exam details of MUBAT. The section 1 is aptitude assessment, which will be conducted for 60 minutes. It consists questions from quantitative and logical aptitude and business case study aptitude. The section 2 is game based evaluation, which is conducted for 20 minutes. These games will assess your performance based on numerical reasoning, critical thinking, planning, abstract reasoning and problem solving. The section 3 is a communication assessment which will be conducted for 40 minutes. This section consists of 1 text-based and 2 video-based essays. The text-based essay is an on-the-spot essay with a word limit of 300 and the video-based essay tests you on technical and behavioral skills. The marking schemes for MUBAT is not disclosed. Now we are going to see about the selection process for Masters Union. The Masters Union does not have any cutoff for the examination. The selection is based on the combination of academic and professional experience, essays, entrance exam scores and the interview performances. Now we are going to see about the college details of Masters Union. The program name is PGP Technology and Business Management, PGP TBM. Its intake is 163 students and the duration of this program is 16 months, which includes a 3-month internship. Unlike other B schools, it has a very unique teaching methodology. The students can directly learn from top CXOs, MDs, startup founders and academicians. PGP TBM is an extremely flexible program and highly customizable. It also offers one-to-one mentorship and the students can shadow masters in the preferred domain. It offers an average package of 34.07 LPA, which is almost equal to the leading iims. Now we are going to see about the pros and cons of joining Masters Union. The pros are, it offers practical education. Masters Union invites industry experts so that they can impart practical knowledge of the business. It has investor pitches and gives students consulting assignments. Most of the classes interaction with CXOs. Most of the classes will be taken by the industry experts. It has a CXO shadow program which provides one-to-one mentorship and give insights into the corporate world. PGP TBM is a shorter program with a duration of 16 months so that the students can complete the program very early. It offers a high salary with the average CTC of 34.07 LPA. This program is a combination of technology and business management so that the students can learn coding and fintech along with business management. The cons are, Masters Union does not offer degree or diploma, it just offers a certification. Masters Union is not UGC recognized and not AICTE accredited, similar to ISB. Masters Union has no campus. The intake has increased from 60 to 163, which can affect the average package. Because of the shorter program, the experience can be very hectic and the students will have very limited committee experience. As Masters Union is a recently established business school, the comprehensive understanding of the average package can only be gained over an extended period. Because of the technology involvement in the program, the business school might not shortlist non-engineers. In conclusion, if MBA entrepreneurship is your preference, then Masters Union is a good choice. Critical thinking is important for this exam. Communication assessment, which is section 3, checks for critical thinking and how well you frame your thoughts. MUBAT exam tests your speaking and written communication along with your analytical, logical and behavioral skills. MUBAT test is designed in such a way that one cannot really prepare for it. If you like this video and found this useful, please give a like and subscribe to our channel. If you want to know about any specific MBA entrance exam, do let us know in the comment section. We will look to post those in the upcoming videos. Thank you and all the best.